Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Again, we will make one more video which related to area and parameter of the shape, and we will discuss today circle. How to find out the parameter and area of the circle. First, we will start from the parameter. We know that the length of the boundary line, the sum up of the boundary line is called the parameter. We use one more term. Actually, you can see it is a circle, and today we will find out how to find the length of this complete circle, just boundary line. What is the length of this boundary? You can also use the term circumference instead of the parameter, the circumference of the circle. So today we will learn how to find out the circumference of the circle as well as the semicircle. First, I will draw a circle here. This is a circle and this is the center of the circle. Okay, I will draw a line which passes from the center of a circle and touch from one boundary to the other boundary of a circle, and this is called the diameter. Suppose the diameter of this circle is 10 centimeter. What is the diameter? This is the diameter. The diameter is 10 centimeter. So how we can find out the circumference? Circumference mean to say the parameter of the circle. Parameter mean to say the boundary line. What is the length of this boundary of a circle? So with the help of this formula, I will use circumference instead of parameter. Circumference. Circumference of a circle. The formula is 2 pi r. With the help of this formula, we can easily calculate the circumference of a circle. Now putting the values, as we know that the value of pi is 3.14, and what is the value of radius? This is the diameter. 10 centimeter is the diameter, and what is the radius? The half of the diameter is called the radius. This complete line 10 centimeter is the diameter, and the half of this line which is 5 centimeter is the radius. So 5 centimeter is the radius. Now we will put the values and get the answer. When we multiply, we will get the answer is 31.4 centimeter. This is the circumference of a complete circle. Let's suppose if I will convert into the half, if I want to find out the half circumference of the circle, just this boundary line, I will draw it here. Okay, it is the half circumference, means circumference of a semicircle. Semicircle mean to say the half of the circle. So what is the formula to find the length of this circumference? What will be the formula? The formula of complete circle is 2 pi r. To find the complete circle, the circumference of the complete circle is 2 pi r. When it will become half, so what will be the formula? Pi r. Pi r. Just with the help of pi r, you can easily find out the circumference of a semicircle. And what is the diameter? That diameter is 10 centimeter. The diameter is 10 centimeter and the radius is 5 centimeter. Now we will put the values. This is the circumference of semicircle. Now putting the values, 3.14 multiplied by 5. What will be the desired answer? So this is the desired answer, 15.7 centimeter. Keep in your mind, this is the circumference of half semicircle. This is the answer of this length from here to here. Half semicircle. This is the answer of the semicircle, and this circumference is the answer of complete circle. Now we will find out the area of this circle and area of semicircle step by step. The area of a circle is pi r square. Now we will put the values. The value of pi is 3.14 and the value of r is 5 and square as it is. And we know that 3.14, 5 square mean to say 5 multiplied by 5, and the desired answer 78.5 centimeter square. With the help of this formula you can find the area. And now we will find the area of the half semicircle. How we can find out the area of semicircle? Area of semicircle is semicircle. The circle is pi r square. So the semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. Because we will halve this circle, so we will divide it by 2. Now putting the values in this formula, 3.14 multiplied by 5 square divides by 2. The answer is same, 78.5 divides over 2, and the 39.25 centimeter square. So today we will learn to how to find out the area as well as the parameter of the shape. With the help of this formula you can find the complete circumference of a circle, and with the help of this you can easily find out the circumference of semicircle. And this is the formula to find the area of a complete circle, and this is the formula to find the area of a semicircle. I hope this video help you a lot to find the area of circle and semicircle. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.